Hello dear friends and especially ICC 2022 batch. This MCQ video is on the important topic, that is user-defined functions in Java. Class 10 Computer Applications ICC syllabus. The theory part has already been explained in E-SHIKSHA's playlist, that is user-defined functions in Java. Kindly watch the videos, understand it nicely before attempting the MCQs of this video. So students, let us start today's topic, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell notification icon for all my upcoming videos on different topics of Java, specially designed for ICC 2022. So here comes the first question. State the two advantages of using functions in a program. The two most important advantages are reusability of code and easy debugging and testing of program. So number 2 is the correct answer. Question number 2 is, functions which are predefined in the Java library are called what? The correct answer is inbuilt functions, or predefined functions. Question number 3 is, dash data members are associated with the objects. All the options are given. The correct answer is number 3, that is static. Question number 4 is, you have to write a prototype of a function called check, which receives a character ch and an integer n and will return either true or false. You have to write the method header or the method prototype. So all the 4 options are given. The correct answer is number 3. The return type would be Boolean because it is returning either true or false. The method name, you will see it's given check, CHECK in small letter, and it is receiving 2 fields. One is character ch and another integer n. So the whole thing, if you see all the options, number 3 is right. Question number 5 is, which keyword refers to the current object? Options are new, import, this and final. The correct answer is this, THIS in small letter. Question number 6 is, static boolean max int a comma b, and in the method body you have, if a is equal to b, you will return true, else you will return false. Now this is an example of dash function. Now here you will find that there is no change of state of any object. Okay, you are just returning the value whether true or false. So this is actually a pure function. In a pure function, you just display the content of a variable, and in impure function what you do, you change the state of an object, means the value gets changed in impure function. I hope all of you have understood. So question number 6 answer is number 3, that is pure. Question number 7 is predict the output. The entire code you can see on the screen and you have to find out the output. Now let us see, the class name is number and there you have a variable called count, which is integer type and initially it is 5. And then you have a display method where you are passing an object as parameter. Of the num class, you are passing an object called num. Then after that, in that method body, you have num count is equal to num count plus 1. Num count means your Object, that is num, is pointing to count variable. Okay, it had 5, so 5 plus 1 would be 6. So in the next line, when you're printing in quotes, count is equal to the value of count. Value of the count variable is what? 5. So it is printing 5, and in the next line you have backslash t, for that you're getting gap, and then after that count is equal to is getting printed, and then after that num dot count means num count got incremented by 1. I hope you remember num count is equal to num count plus 1. So num count has got what? 6. So the right answer is number 3. Count is equal to 5, gap, and then count is equal to 6. Number 3 is the correct answer. Question number 8 is, which statement skips a section of code? Is it break, continue, go to, or return? The correct answer is continue. Question number 9 is, int m is equal to accept, and in parenthesis you have x comma y. Here x and y are what? Number 1, actual parameters or arguments. Number 2, formal parameters or arguments. Number 3, values. And number 4, variables. The correct answer is they are actual parameters. These values are passed to the method to which you are actually calling. So these are actual parameters or actual arguments. So this is the last question of this session, that is user defined function part 1. Question number 10, public static void show, and the parameter is int a, and you have the method body where I have not written anything, but here they are asking what? Show int a is actually called what? Is it a method header, method prototype, method signature, or method body? The right answer is method signature. The method name and the parameter list, that is the formal parameters, together they are called what? Method signature. It is a part of a method prototype. So show int a is actually a method signature.